That's funny. Funny. It was strange with new people in here.
Yeah. I can't decide if they just didn't talk or if we just talked over them.
I think we talked over them. I think Saxon may or may not have screamed over them. Miss Compton was like, he is really excited about his points. I was like, yes, he really is.
Carly and Austin aren't getting our points today. Hello, Carly and Austin.
Y'all are so funny about these points. So funny. Funny. Like a bunny. Okay, so this is the first one that we're going to use, and we're going to use different variables than x and y because we can, because we're fancy and we know how to do this. So, when we're using elimination, remember, eliminate means to kill, to take out, to get rid of. Sorry.
I got it.
No. All right, so what are we going to look for first? Okay, in the like terms. So do we have a negative and a positive? Yes. All right, so we can just add straight down the kill, correct? So draw a line under it. Add straight down. What variable are we getting rid of? P. Fantastic. What is 5m plus 3m?
Oh, God.
What's 24 plus 24?
Oh.
Add, guys. We are adding straight down. M equals 6. Give your team a point.
What? That's the easiest math I've Hey, can I help? Can I solve it to get a point?
What? Okay, tell me
Solve
what.
for P.
Okay, now we got to solve for P, and how do we do that?
Plug in.
Does it matter where we plug it in? But what should we do just so we don't have to think about it?
Plug it to the input.
Or the top.
Alright. So you get 30.
Okay, now, please, for the love of Michael Bolton, we replace the letter with the number. We replace the letter with the number. He is a singer. In a few minutes, I will play you some of his great songs. What's 5 times 6?
30. It's me if it's hard.
What's P equal?
3.
What? This ass was...
Thought it was our group.
She didn't even
Well,
raise
we
her
thought.
hand.
Oh, do y'all ever raise your
Yes,
hand?
I raise my hand all the time.
Yes, we do.
Don't give her a point.
Yes,
Y'all are
we
just
do.
mad because I got it right. And I said
Because you
it.
didn't raise your hand.
Exactly.
You're still not raising your hand.
Yeah.
Because we're not
Can we get a talking stick?
A talking? No. That sounds like the most dangerous thing to bring into this classroom. Are you serious? Maybe. A sponge could be fun. Or like a foam sword. Something soft. Like a marshmallow. Or a bunny.
Oh, my bunny died.
I don't know what's happening. Alright, so any questions on A?
Can I get a point?
No.
I did 15.
Do we understand? What did you get 15 from? There's not a 15 up there.
Wait, would you back up? Does that mean that I get a point?
No.
Please?
No.
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 Raise your hand. Raise your hand, man.
Okay.
Can I solve B?
Yeah.
Right, how about we do it together as a class? How about we stop being psychos?
I want the points.
Well, you can't have them.
So much violence. Created monsters.
Yeah, I needed the point.
Created monsters.
Trying to see who's
Alright, survival of the fittest. First person, raise your hand. No, I mean like to when you finish solving.
I didn't have anything to say. I want to fan buzzers.
Chaos. I need to find that though. Buzzers with light so it like shines a beam up for whichever table gets it first. Yeah. I don't know if they make that, though. I feel like that'd be a lot of money to buy, like, a gaming system in here for y'all to have buzzers. I feel like that could be dangerous.
Oh my gosh, I got it.
You should not get a decimal. No. No, those are the same thing.
I got it.
You can do it. We do not give up, Saxon. Work out this problem.
I know the answer.
Are you going to add this time?
Oh!
What?
I just figured it out.
That's what I got too, Shane.
Wait, I got you.
No, I got it. Why did you right? But how do you get 114?
Oh, I see what I did! Oh, 2 points!
Keep working. The next person gets 1 point.
Hey, people, raise your hand.
I like how competitive you guys are. Man, that's funny.
Did you even raise your hand?
I did actually. I did not say one word. Are you even working out the problem?
I did.
You're not. You're
I said
Oh
did.
my god.
I said
Caleb
did.
to do all the work.
That's past tense.
Alright.
Fantastic. You get a point.
I'm gonna get a point.
All right. Let's talk about this one together, tater tots. Together. Forever. Alright, so you have the same sign, correct? So we can't add because we got to be able to get rid of. So you would subtract. Or you can multiply by -1. Same thing. So if you multiply by -1, you're going to get the same answer.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so 6 minus 5 is C. -9 minus a -9 dies. 111 minus 103 is 8. Yeah, you just subtract. And that's what we said at the beginning of the class period. That's what Manny said. When you have the same sign, subtract.
I knew that. I just kind of.
Yeah. So then from there, you take your C and you plug it in. So you have 6 times 8 minus 9D equals 111. 11, Blair. 6 times 8 is what? I'm losing my mind. 48. And 111 minus 48 is... And divide and you get -7.
Alright, give us a
Blessings. Alright, ready for the next one? Does everybody understand how we got this, other than the people screaming at me? Like the quiet people in the classroom? Do y'all see where we got this from?
Yes.
Are we sure? You're not the quiet one by any means. What you mean? I said what I'm... No, I'm not going to let y'all see it.
Oh my God.
I'm going to give you a really hard one that gives you crazy fractions. That's what I should do.
Do it!
Okay.
No, you see me.
First person who gets it gets 3 points. 3 points. Ready? 3 points.
Oh my! I can't even see it.
Take a deep dang breath. Holy cow, I'm moving it. We're going to have 9 minutes of video. You should have subtracted. Subtracted, children. -7 minus 5 gives you... Did you say your stomach hurts? We got you all tense over there with this math problem? -26 minus 10 gives you -36. Divide and you get 3. Did anybody get that first part? Or did we make a little error with our signs? Is that what happened? Are we not watching our signs?
No. I'm just trying to get a problem so I can get 3 points. Right? That's what I'm saying.
But I understand why you want the points. Trust me, I'm an intelligent person. But do you understand how to do the math?
Yeah, I know how to do it. It's easy. I'm trying to rush and get a point.
Okay. Alright, so then you have 6x minus 7. So after you find y, you plug it back in to get x. So that gives you negative 21. Then you add that and you get negative 5. So then x equals negative 5, 6. So that your coordinate is negative 5, 6, 3. Or negative 0.8333333333. Do y'all see how we got this? Does anybody not see? Do we need to do one more like this, or y'all ready to move on to the next step? Okay, let's move on. I need a piece of paper. We're still doing elimination, so calm down, whiny baby. We're just adding multiplication to it. Alright, so this is going to be D. And this is 38B, 38C. Problem D. Potatoes. Alright, so we're going to start out with baby easy and then we're going to move our way up, okay? Okay. Good talk. So our first one is going to be 2x minus y equals 4. And 7x plus 3y equals 27. Now, when we're doing elimination, we look for opposite signs and same coefficient. The x's don't have opposite signs, nor they're the same number, but the y's do have opposite signs. Now, do we have the same coefficient on our y value? Can we do something to the top equation to make it the same? Yes, multiply by 3. Take a point. Okay. Okay. So then from there, you distribute to everything. Remember, distribute to everything. So that gives us 6x minus 3y equals 12. Now, did we multiply the bottom one? No. So we bring it over. It stays the exact same. Write them on top of each other. That's how you eliminate. Now, does everybody see where this 3 came from? Yes, no, maybe. Does anybody not see? Speak.
Okay.
Alright, so then we have opposite signs, so are we going to add or subtract? Add. Kill it. 7 plus 6 is 13x. 12 plus 27 is 39. So we divide by 13 and you get what?
3.
Fantastic. Alright, now plug it back in to get your y. Does anybody have their y yet?
Oh, no, you don't.
2. Take a point.
Yeah.
Take a point. We got 4 points. Take a point. Take a point. Take a point. Look at us go. Yes. Alright, so then, now, are we going to plug this into the top or the bottom?
Or anyone.
Don't you have to do it for the original problem?
Yes. Plug it back in for the original, and I would just always plug it into the top. That way you don't have to think about where you're plugging it in. Just plug it into the first equation. So that gives us lots of potatoes. 2 times 3 minus y equals 4, correct? And then that gives you 6 minus y equals 4. Negative y equals negative 2, so y equals 2. Your coordinate, because it has to be written as a coordinate, is 32. All right, you ready to try one without me? Let's do... I don't want to do any more easy ones, but I want to do one more like this. Okay, let's do this one. E is in eotato. Oh, sorry guys, I wasn't even looking up. I would check the second one. I would check the Y. Good, take point. She had hers over for you. Right. Take a point. Oh, I got it.
I got it. Taylor's on the negatives.
Nope. Nope.
Okay.
Nope. I'm coming. Nope. Where? Nope. Keep working. Go back and check what you did. Oh.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, no.
Nope. Yep, take a point. Okay. Go back and check what you did when you plugged it in. Check your sign on that one. You got the negative 40.
Oh, I see.
And then plug that in. You're real close. Nope. Your X is wrong.
Right here, I got it.
Oh, take a point. Yes, try to coordinate.
-6. Oh, +6.
I can't do this.
+6.
You don't have to do it fast.
To get the 3 points, I have to.
But she's still got 24 divided by 12.
Yeah, she's still one
Oh,
point.
it's a negative 2.
You said my
Yes,
name.
very
I'm a
good.
kid.
Your table already got a point.
Oh my freaking.
Potatoes,
Yes.
because it's still recording. 22 minutes of silence and then us screaming about points. Okay, so what did Joel multiply the top equation by? Okay. So then you get 5x minus 5y equals negative 8. And 7x plus 5y equals 16. Oh, negative 40. Thanks, haters. Alright, so then you add straight down. And that gives you 12y equals negative 24. Divide and you get negative 2. So some of us just need to watch our signs. Some of us need to divide correctly. And then we get negative 2. Ooh, no. X minus a negative 2 gives us negative 8. So then we'd subtract 2 from both sides because that becomes a plus. Oh, wait, what did I do? I did something wrong.
You made x, y instead of being x. So x equals negative 2, not y.
Oh, potatoes, thanks. Over here. Okay. Take a point for catching my mistake. That's the point. Didn't.
I like the shirt. I like your shirt drinking at a point.
Okay, so then you add 2 to both sides, and you get negative 6. When you divide by negative 1, and you get positive 6, so it's negative 2, 6. Awesome. Okay. Yay. All right. We are going to do one more. All right. One more.
I want to put 3 in each one. Oh, we're doing this.
Nope. I'm just not on this one. That's okay. This one's a little trickier.
Wait, I have a question.
Okay?
Can you multiply the two equations by different things?
Yes, you can.
Oh, that makes sense. Oh, I see.
You can multiply them by different things.
Hang on, let me double check my answer.
Oh, sorry, Patrick. Take a point. Take a point. Yo. To this problem. I got 2, negative 4. Now you can multiply it. You can multiply the x's or you can multiply the y's, and you can multiply them by different things. but you take the coefficients of the opposite. So I multiply the top by this coefficient, the bottom by 3, so that I could get 15. You could also do your x's, multiply the top by 7, the bottom by 8. Either way works.
Then you subtract.
Yep. For this one, I subtracted. So tonight you have to do 3 homework problems, write them down, take a picture, pick a graphing, pick a substitution, pick an elimination. It does not matter which one you pick, you just have to have one of each.